Hello everyone, I was preparing to cook beef cube stick, and then I chop already parsley, use the 500-gram beef cube, and garlic I chopped, and olive oil. Heat up the wok and I pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I sauteed the garlic until the smell is fragrance. When the garlic golden brown off the fire, remove the oil and keep at the side. And the pan's already hot, and I pour the meat inside. You don't have to cook so long, otherwise the meat is very hard. I cook is about 2 minutes and then flip up. Okay my friend, my beef cube is almost done. I add the garlic, and also I will add the chopped parsley and stir well, and then add some the butter. I use 2 tablespoons the butter, but here I only use a little bit because one of the family here cannot take so much butter, so I reduce the butter. Okay my friend, it's done already, my beef cube, and ready to serve. Enjoy. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.